Hey, guess who it is? It's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Jimmy of Wellington, Colorado. He writes, "Do yourself a favor, do not get insurance company. We have catastrophic storm damage to our roof and they will not pay. This is absolutely a sham and we are out a roof which I expected once something bad happened to have insurance to cover it," right? I think most of us feel that way. "They did not do a thing for my family. The insurance company is the mayhem that they advertise about in their lame commercials. They should be stating that you are in terrible hands. The only thing that is in their hands is the money that you pay them, which they don't pay out for. What a scam. I cannot get any of the management to call me back after I have left many voicemails to have them return a phone call. Now my agent will not return a call either. Is this the type of service you want for insurance?" So they're questioning, like, why would you hire this insurance company to cover you in the event of a catastrophic storm damage when they're actually not going to pay out? So you might have heard me say before, insurance companies are diminishing payments as a way to increase their bottom line. Less money that they pay out increases their bottom line. How does that work? Yeah, it's called math, right? The math states the fewer dollars they pay out in claims, the more money they make and keep in their bottom line. So some of these insurance companies are mutual companies, which means they're owned by the members. The reason they keep their money is to keep premiums down. If your premiums were twice as much at one insurance company versus another because they paid out every single dollar of every single claim they owed, you would switch. If every insurance company paid out every single dollar that they actually owed, it'd be a level playing field, but they don't, right? So just know that insurance companies make money by not giving you the money that you are owed on your insurance claim. Now, this doesn't happen all of the time. This happens some of the time, maybe most of the time. And I can tell you by the time I get involved, I don't see the fantastic side of insurance companies when they're actually paying claims fairly and legitimately. People call me because they're upset because there are property insurance claims that are legitimate: storm damage, fire damage, water damage, whatever it might be, lightning, that's not getting paid properly. So if you have an insurance claim, a property insurance claim to your commercial, industrial, or residential property, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We'll see what we can do to help you out.